Sorry. Hey everybody, I'm Nathan Gaming. This is my first episode.
His name's really Nathaniel.
And today we're gonna do Extreme Car Driving Simulator 2015. And each day,
2015 was a while ago.
and I might be doing different.
Sorry about the ads.
She had immunity. Said she had a totodile. Kids these days, right?
Who had a Totodile? I like Totodile. It's adorable.
And I'm gonna show you.
Like if you guys know what Totodile is. If you don't know Totodile, it's a Pokemon. Awesome Pokemon.
My friend taught me this, that sometimes the car would pop a wheelie.
Wasn't that Kane?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's gone now. Sadly.
Rest in peace, Kane.
He's not dead. He's just local.
Yo, bro, you wanna fight me? Let's go. Don't worry.
He punched the thing on the face.
Wait,
He's knocked out.
I wanna see how long until I have my what? 9.46, and then I finally get my my Subaru. I've been waiting for the Subaru for long. I like Subarus. One of the best cars in the world. Well, I really think this Mustang isn't really that good. I'm not a big fan of this Mustang. I'm a big fan of the old one.
I'm a big fan of all cars.
Nuh-uh, I'm not a big fan of American Muscle. I want to do wheels. Yeah, I'm gonna let you guys decide what I should do with the cars. I might do a fidget spinner giveaway, but I don't have any right now.
You guys own any fidget spinners, we never will.
Bro, shut up.
Bro, shut up.
Man, I will not subscribe to your... God.
To that giveaway.
Oh.
Is your foot okay?
Then I go put my soup. So, we're going to the airport.
If you're such a snazzy guy, then no.
We're gonna try and get the skyline. As you guys know, this takes a while because... Whoa. I don't know why, but this takes a long time just to get here. I don't know why, but Tanner Fox just takes too much time in his car than anything else. I'm not kidding, for real. I'm not kidding, like for real. Tanner spends more time on his car. But plus he's got 2017 GTR. New everything. Got new wheels. Oh, come on. I don't want this Mustang. Sorry. Why there's so many ads? Thank you. I don't want this game. It does not look fun. Now I'm just gonna look how close I am. This is my favorite car. Oh, no, actually, this is my favorite car. I just really want... Yeah, let me zoom in. I just really want this. Look at this Audi R8. Everyone wants an Audi R8, right? She's like the... I really want this car, too. She's... I don't know. There's like 3 different cars of that. No. Why are you frozen? I'm just gonna go with my Lamborghini. Because I deliver pizzas in my Lamborghini. Watch this. I think, yeah, the Lambo does it. Oh. Why don't you all get my Lamborghini today? Lamborghinis don't pop wheelies these days, do they? Stop, man. Stop! Stop.
Don't turn off.
Even Lamborghinis can't do this stuff, people. We could do a trial. Why doesn't my Lambo just go straight? I don't want my traction. Yeah, bro. I know I'm on the wrong side of the road, but dude, I just need to get up there. Bugatti, 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 Bugatti. Come on, come on. Lambos these days, right? I want the Audi R8 so much. Ouch. See Bugatti. I've never had the Pagani. I hate ads and then like, why did ads pop up? There's nothing really happening. So if you're bored of me just trying to do it by a phone. Well, I hope you guys like my first video. Sorry if I annoyed you a lot, but thanks for watching.